This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and positioning. Wear eye protection, gloves, and a mask. Secure the piece in a vise so it cannot shift. Once clamped, align the Dremel with the scribed line and install the appropriate cutting wheel. This matters because wheel material and RPM determine heat and finish. You start the tool at low contact, touch briefly to establish the groove, then increase steady pressure. Make sure to keep wrists steady and feed slowly to avoid binding. Once the initial groove is set, you use steady, light pressure and let the wheel do the work. Make multiple shallow passes instead of forcing one deep cut. This reduces heat and prevents wheel wear. Keep the wheel perpendicular to the cut for straight edges and rotate your angle only when changing direction. If you notice discoloration or a burning smell, stop and cool the workpiece. Make sure to clear debris from the cut so the wheel maintains contact and cuts cleanly. You finish by deburring and inspecting the edge with a sanding or grinding bit, removing burrs to prevent injury and ensure fit. If the cut staggers or chatters, replace a worn wheel and verify the collet is tight. A loose accessory causes vibration. If the wheel binds, lower speed, retract, reclamp the piece, and make shallower passes. One key troubleshooting tip: excessive heat means you are cutting too deep. Pause, let materials cool, then continue with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.